Hello and welcome to a video on using MicroMesh with fibers. In this video I want to show how we can reconstruct a project that is shipped with ZBrush 4 R2B. I'm going to load the MicroMesh 01 project here, and you can see all we have done here is created fibers, and we've replaced the fibers with a mesh which happens to be this leaf. Notice that when I click on this leaf, we've appended a plane to the leaf. This is a great practice to represent what this one leaf would look like on one polygon face. So let's go back to this project and recreate this. The first thing I'm going to do is just load a polysphere. So now we have a polysphere loaded. I'm going to create some fibers. So in our fiber subpalette, I'm going to click on preview. You can see that ZBrush instantly creates a fiber mesh for you in a preview mode. I'm going to make some adjustments here. The first thing I'm going to adjust is the number of fibers we have. We have way too fibers, so I'm going to drop this down to 0.4, which is about 400 fibers. Remember that the max fibers is in thousands. The next thing I'm going to adjust is some length. So I'm going to make these a little bit longer. I'm also going to go ahead and add some more segments to our fibers. Right now we're sitting currently at 3. So what that does is create more of a nice swooping of the fibers. I'm also going to turn the twist off because I don't want to have any twist to my fibers. You can see the fiber is also tapering. This is our flare. I'm going to turn that to 0, and I'm also going to adjust my scale root to be 1 and my scale tip to be 1. That way I have a consistent fiber all the way through. I'm going to up my coverage so we can make our fibers a lot wider. And that's about what I'm looking for. Of course we can adjust a little bit of our gravity and change some things up here, but I like what we have here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the accept button. Once we do that, ZBrush is actually going to create a new subtool, which is your fiber mesh. With that selected, I'm going to scroll down to our display properties, and I'm going to click on select MicroMesh. That's going to open up our tool pop-up window where I'm going to select our leaf. You can see now the leaves are being stretched along our fibers. Also remember to turn on in render properties, draw MicroMesh. With that on, let's go ahead and render out. You can see in this BPR render, all ZBrush has done is replace all the fibers with our leaf and stretch that leaf along the fiber itself. Thank you for watching this video, and please continue to watch more videos on pixelogic.com.